everyone, my name is Alex Garza. I'm a fashion and beauty vlogger here on YouTube. This is my second year in a row being the EcoTools brand ambassador. I'm super excited to be working with them for 2018. So thanks to EcoTools for supporting this video and collaborating with me. Now that it's June means it's almost officially summer. I'm actually on a beach vacation right now with my husband and our son Julian. He's only 2 months old and we're having so much fun. So I thought I would share with you guys my current favorite summer look. It's really bronzy and beachy. It's perfect for a vacation or any outside activity. It'll last all day. I'm gonna be using all the amazing EcoTools products today. Some of my new favorites. You guys are gonna love it. So let's go ahead and get started. I just washed and moisturized my skin. Now I'm ready to start my makeup. So I always apply some primer first. This one's really nice because it has a little bit of a bronzy tint to it, so it gives you a little bit of a tan. I dot it all over with my fingers. And then I'm blending it in using the Complexion Buffer brush from EcoTools. This one's really great because it has those blunt bristles, so you're not gonna get any streaks or anything like that. I'm gonna be using it for my primer and my liquid highlighter today. Primer is really important to use, especially in the summer months, so that your makeup lasts all day and you don't have any issues with oil control or anything like that. For foundation, I'm going to be using my Perfection Cushion Blender. This is great because it has 2 curved sides. It's actually my new favorite sponge from EcoTools. I love it for foundation. So the one I'm using today actually has full coverage and SPF 50, so it's great if you're going to be outside in the sun or anything like that to really protect your skin. The Perfecting Cushion Blender has 1 large and 1 small side, so it's great for liquid foundation and for cushion compacts. Today I'm using the large side for my foundation. Quick tip, whenever you're using this blender, make sure to wet it under water first. That helps it expand and it also makes it really soft, so it applies your foundation really well. So I just wet it under the sink and then I wring it out so there's not any excess water and it's just damp. I'm going to be applying my concealer today using the Concealer Duo brushes. So you get the detail concealer, which is great to actually apply the product and cover up the spot or the area that you want to cover. And then you use the airbrush concealer. And this one's a little bit bigger. It has a nice dome shape. And this is actually going to blend out the concealer to give you that airbrush seamless look. So together they work really well at covering anything. I also like to make sure I blend a little bit of my concealer up into the inner corners of my eyes. That really makes your eyes look super bright and fresh. Because my skin is a little bit more on the oily side, especially in the hot summer months, I like to set with a little bit of powder. I'm going to be using my full powder brush to apply. So I just take a little bit right in my T-zone where I get shiny. This also helps my makeup last all day. To warm up my skin, I'm going to use my Becca bronzer in Capri. I love this because it's semi-matte, but it has a hint of shimmer in it, so it really gives you a nice glow as well as a contour. I'm going to be using it with my blending and bronzing brush. This is a great bigger size duo fiber brush, so it's really nice for that wash of bronze all over. I also like to use it for blush and highlighter too, so that's what I'm going to do today. Because this is a daytime look, I love using a brush like this just to give a nice wash of color. It's nothing too intense, but you still are giving your face some shape and some definition. I love a really bronzy, warm blush in the summer months. I think it just enhances your natural color. For eyes today, I'm going to go for a really beautiful bronze glossy eye. I just think that looks amazing and fresh and beautiful for summer. I'm going to be applying my shadow today using the brushes from the Enhancing Eye Set. It comes with 4 different brush heads that are perfect to shade, define, blend, and smudge for a perfect eye look. I'm starting with a rose gold cream shadow. I think this is going to really enhance that glossy look using the shade side of the brush. So I pick some up and apply that directly to my eyelid. This is like a metallic rose gold. I love the look of cream shadows, but I never want them to get creased or look oily, so I'm going to be taking the blend side of the brush into a powder shadow that has a similar tone, just to set that cream on my eyelid so it doesn't move or budge all day. And this one has a nice shimmer to it as well, so it will just enhance that glossy look. I'm taking a little bit of a deeper brown on the smudge end of the brush and applying that to my lower lash line. This creates that perfectly blended look, so easy. I'm going to be using a pencil to line my eyes today. I'm going to do the top lash line, wing it out a little bit. This is a dark, deep brown color. You could go for black, but I always think brown is nice and neutral for daytime and it's not too intense. I'm taking a dark brown, almost black shadow in the defined side of the brush to set that liner so it stays in place all day, and this also intensifies it just a little bit. I have lash extensions, so I'm brushing them out with a spoolie, but here is where you would apply mascara or falsies. I'm also gonna take a little pencil and fill in my brows right now as well. And I'm finishing off the look with a peachy nude lip. Here is the final look. I think it's really beachy, bronzy, perfect for any summer vacation. I hope that you guys try it out at home. Thanks so much to EcoTools for sponsoring this video and collaborating with me. Links to all the products that I use will be down below in the description box. Don't forget to subscribe to the EcoTools YouTube channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!